Let's take one more example on insertion sort and understand how it works. So I have been given an array with the elements 17, 26, 54, 77, 93, 31, 44, and 55. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 elements I have in my array. So if I have to do quickly, right, quick way, I told you that consider a slider at the second position and sort whatever elements are there on the left side to it. So if you sort 17 and 26, it is already sorted. So you don't have to do anything. So your first iteration will look like this. That is first iteration. The second iteration, then you move the slider to the third position after the element of third position and sort this. Again, if you see, it is already sorted. 70, 26, 54. This is going to remain same, right? In third iteration, you put it towards the fourth element. So if you see, again it is sorted. So 17, 26, 54, 77, 93, 31, 44, 55. Now put this element after the fifth element. So if you see, now if you have to sort this, it is again sorted, right? 54, 77, 93, 31, 44, 55. There is a specific reason why I have taken this example, right? So wait for that. So now put slider here and sort this. Now you will see a change, that is 70, 26, 31 is there, right? So 31 will come here, 54, 77, 93, 44, 55. Then again put a slider after 44, right? And do it. Sixth iteration, 17, 26. This is 44, right? 31, 44, 54, 77, 93, 55. Now put the slider after the last element. So you will get it. Seventh iteration, 17, 26, 31, 44, 54, and 55, 77, 93, right? That's my sorted array. So if you have seen how many elements we have, 8. So after how many iteration we got the sorted array? 7 iteration. Now what question will ask you in this type of question? It will ask you till how many iteration the array remain the same. So if you see, I think till here, right? Till here, after the fourth iteration, that is till 3 iteration, we did not see any change in the array. It remains the same. So these type of questions can be asked many a times in the interview and in your exams also. So what all other types of questions? What are the number of comparisons? How many iterations? Right? If and there are some specific comparison, they will ask how many times that has happened. So for that, you need to iterate and you need to trace the whole algorithm from the scratch. So I'm going to do it for some of the iteration because this is a seventh iteration. So why not we do? I'll not do completely, but I'll just take few of them. So let me quickly uh, write that for you again. Okay. So let me just remove all this, and I'll show you how basically would have happened. So we start from 26, considering this as sorted and this as unsorted, and then we'll take second element, then third element, fourth element, and so on. So I'll consider 26 is not less than 70, so not a problem. So in first iteration, it is going to remain same. So how many comparison has happened? Only one comparison has happened. That is what? 26 with 70, only one comparison. In second iteration, what I'm going to see, I'm going to check with 54. Is 54 less than 26? No. So only one comparison and no insertion needed. It is already sorted. Okay. Then in third iteration, I'm going to consider 17, 7 with 54. So 77 is not less than 54. So I don't need to do. So only one comparison. 17, 26, 54, 77, 93, 31, 31, 41, 54. Correct? Now, what I'm going to say is 93. Is 93 less than 77? No. So I don't want to go ahead. So only one comparison we made, that is 17, 26, 54, 77, 93, 31, 44, 55. Then in fifth iteration, so you're going to compare 31 with 93. So 31 is less than 91. Yes, that is true. So 93 will come here. Then is 31 less than 77? Yes, that is also true. So 77 will come here. Is 31 less than 54? Yes, that is also true. It's going to come here. Is 31 less than 26? No, 31 is greater than 26. So 31 will come here, 26 and 70. And 44 gonna remain same. So how many comparison? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 comparison you made here. In sixth iteration. So sixth iteration, what you are going to do is, which element you were on? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you're going to take seventh element. That is 44. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 element. So if you take 44 is less than 93, yes, correct. So 93 will come here. Is 44 less than 77? Yes, so 77 will come here. Is 44 less than 54? Yes, so 54 will come here. Is 44 less than 31? No, 44 is greater than 31, so 44 will come here and all will remain same. So how many comparison we had? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 comparison. And at the last, I'll compare this 55 here. Is 55 less than 93? Yes, so 93 will come here. Is 55 less than 77? Yes, so 77 will come here. Is 55 less than 54? No. 55 is greater than 54, so 55 will come here. 54 will come here. 4, 4, 44, 3, 1, 31, 2, 6, 17, and it is 17th iteration. So how many comparison we made? 1, 2, 3 comparison. So if someone will ask me what are the total number of comparison I made, so you can write 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 1 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is I'll write plus 3. So these are the total number of comparison actions. So with this example, I would like to show you that what all we can ask in the exam. We can ask till how many iteration the sequence remains unchanged, what was the total number of comparison. I can also ask how many times a specific comparison has been done according to insertion sort algorithm. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. And in our follow-up videos, we are going to discuss about advantages and disadvantages of this algorithm, followed up by the application of this algorithm. Thank you.